Do you know like 60 to 70% of people are living paycheck to paycheck? Like millions of people are getting fired and laid off every year, and 80% of people don't even like their jobs. Okay, so what's the solution? Well, it's digital marketing. I discovered a done for you digital business in a box, and you can earn 600, 900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again, working just 2 hours around your schedule, and you get to keep 100% of the profit. Of course, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort, so don't be typical. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm a former Marine and I'm a former monk. And now I just help everyday men and women make seven figures online without having to work a job. So I discovered this business after my company cut my pay in half back during the pandemic. My company cut my pay. And basically, I had a decision to make. I could get another job or I could figure out how to make money online. So I decided I wanted to figure out how to make money online. I didn't really want to get another job because I'm sick of jobs. I don't want to be overworked and underpaid. I'm sick of it. Like, I don't want to live that life. That's not the life I want. I want to live a life of total freedom. Like, I just want to make as much money as possible, working the least amount of time as possible. Okay. So I discovered this business in like late 2023, early 2024. I launched my business and I've gone on to make multiple five figures so far, thousands of dollars with this business, which is a big deal for me because I tried so many things for years. So many things that I tried did not work for me. This is the only thing that has worked. Okay. So all you got to do with this business is get it set up. You just have to set it up. It takes like 1 to 2 days to set up. And then you just plug into our community for training and support. And then after that, you're just following a 2 hour workday. You're doing simple things like posting content on social media, right? Going live and posting content. All you gotta do really is post content, but you can also go live. What you're doing is building your email list. You're building your email list, and then once people are inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. That's how this business works. Okay. So if you want to learn more, there's a link in my bio. There's a link in the description. It's Seven Figure Monk. I'll show you. It's this. It's sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay. See, sevenfiguremonk.com. All you got to do is go there, put in your email, and then you're going to get emails from me. Okay. Just search for the word blueprint. And then once you're inside of my system, just look around because the same system that I use is the same system that you also get to use. Okay. So now, if you have any questions, just let me know, drop it in the comments. I'm from Michigan. Let me know where you're watching from. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions about this. I'm going to try to explain it very simply and clearly, but if anything's confusing, just let me know. Because it kind of helps when I get feedback when people tell me like if I can like learn how to explain this even better and more simple, that helps. That's helpful. Okay, so let me share my screen. Right, let me show you exactly how this business works. I'm going to go through it quick because time is valuable. I don't want to waste your time. So basically, we're going to give you the sales funnel, right? So what happens is like if you go to my website, sevenfiguremonk.com, it's going to take you here, capture page. So you're building your email list, you're capturing people's emails. And this business is in English and Spanish. So if someone speaks Spanish, they can go here, they can see the Spanish version, or they can see the English version, right? And then after they put their email in, they're going to go to like a video that's going to look something like this, okay? Now this video is from my friend and mentor, Michelle, right? She's made millions of dollars in the online space and she's made around $10 million in 3 years. And she does training inside of our community. Okay. She does like daily training inside of our community, right? So she breaks down exactly how this business works. So she's basically doing the selling for you. Okay. You can also create your own video and put that in there. You can edit these pages. The cool thing is you can edit these pages however you want. You just can't change the price because that's not allowed. You can't change the price of the products, but you can edit these pages. Okay. So this video is doing the selling for you. And then there's like testimonies inside of our community that people can read. Everything was created. Like this is a high converting sales funnel created to get sales for you, to make sales for you. Okay. While you're sleeping or doing anything. Okay. So they watch that video and then it sends them here. It sends them to your sales page, your website. Okay. And this is where they can buy one of the programs. That's what we're doing here. We're reselling digital programs in the e-learning industry, right? So you can make 100, 300, 600, 900, and $1,400 commissions, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. So there's 10 income streams, 5 in English, 5 in Spanish. Okay. So unlock 10 income streams today and earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business, right? So there's payment buttons all over the website. They go here, they purchase the product. Whenever they purchase the product, you get paid instantly directly to you. Okay. So how would an extra $1,400 a day change your life? Now that's something to work up towards. I'm not going to say you're not going to make $1,400 every day, especially in the beginning. Now, do some people make money every day? Yes. But like, even if you just made a few sales a month, that's a big impact, right? Like if you're making $1,400 commissions, all you need is you get 4 sales, you get 4 sales a month, 1 sale a week. That equals to $5,600. So that's huge, right? But the goal is, I don't know, it depends on what your goal is. Like my goal is to make millions of dollars. So I have a big goal and I'll keep showing up until I hit that goal. You just got to set a goal for yourself, right? Now here's another video on the website. Michelle is doing the selling for you. Okay. So 2 videos where Michelle is doing the selling, right? We have 57,000 members in our community. This is 56, but we have 57,000 now. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. And we teach you how to get your first sale, okay, in 7 days, right? And then you get to keep 100% of the profits. Plus we have a certification training that you go through. So you become a licensed reseller of these programs. Okay. The business is in English and Spanish. We teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT to build your business. Okay. And there's testimonials on your website. This is your bio section. So here you just put in your pictures and you put in your bio. Okay. We show you how to set up this whole system. And then there's just more stuff, you know, you can put your own pictures. Like I put some of my own pictures here. Here's me hanging out with people in the community. Actually, I'm hanging out with Michelle and other people, her boyfriend, you know, different community. So I changed some of the stuff. You can put your own pictures on there too, because you're kind of building your brand. Even though you didn't create this business, you're building your brand with this business, right? Okay, here's me hanging out with Michelle, right? Because we do live events, so you can meet people inside of our community like Michelle. Okay, so this business is perfect for you if you're looking for ways to make extra income. You want to work from anywhere. You've tried things before and you failed. Okay, you want something that's proven, something that's easy to follow, something that's step by step, right? Some other stuff it shows on the website. Okay, then people can go here and they buy one of your products, the $1,400, the $900, the $600, the $300, or the $100. So there's different options for people. Okay, so you have different income streams. Like some people, they'll buy the $1,400. Okay, so if you get the $1,400 program, then you have the resale rights to that program. So that's how you can resell it. So you purchase the program, then you can resell it. You have the resale rights to it. That's how you earn 100% profit. And if you're at the 1,400 level, then you can earn 10 income streams, $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 in English and Spanish, right? But let's say you start at the 100 level. Well, you can only earn at the level that you're at. So if you start at the 100 level, you can only earn 100 over and over again. But that's one income stream of $100 that you have to promote, okay? And there's also like payment plans for you or your customers. So if you want to start this business, you purchase one of the programs. Just like I invested my money, I started with a $1,400 product. So I invested my hard-earned money. So it's a one-time investment. There's 0 monthly fees, okay? And then there's payment plans as well. So it's super affordable. And here's the thing. All you need is one sale, depending on what level you're at. Let's say you're at the $1,400 level, right? You get one sale, you purchase the $1,400 product, you get one sale at $1,400, then you got your investment back. The second sale puts you into profit. You're in profit mode. So you just need 2 sales and your business is already in profit. Okay. You didn't lose any money. See, some people are afraid to start a business like this because they're afraid that they might lose money, even though they spend money on all kinds of crazy things, but they're afraid that they're going to lose money. So they don't start a business, even though they have no problem spending money on junk. It's crazy, right? Like people have no problem spending money on liabilities, which are things that cost them money. But when it comes to investing in a business, they're like, oh no, I can't do it. I don't know. It's crazy to me, but that's just how humans are. You know, we're humans. Humans do crazy things. Okay. So then you also get these bonuses, right? You get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. Like you get access to our community for free where you get millionaire mentoring. You get mentored from 6 and 7 figure income earners. That's a free thing. You get free bonus. You get to learn how to create your own communities. You get to learn how to create content with Canva. You get to learn you get my first 1,000,017 months blueprints. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire, faceless marketing. You get 200 digital product ideas so you can create your own products. Okay, so that's the website. That's how the website looks. And there's frequently asked questions. Okay, so the same system that I use, the website, everything, it's the same system that you get to use. Right now, you can edit it if you want to, but I wouldn't change too much because how can you show people that it works if you change everything, right? And maybe if you change it, it won't work. So I wouldn't change it too much, but you can edit a couple things. It's up to you. It's your life, you know, your business. So let's say you decide to start this business. Then all you got to do, you purchase a program and then you're going to have access. Okay. You're going to have access to your programs. Oh, not there. You'll have access to your programs right here. So look, this is where you're going to have access to your program. And we're selling these programs. What does a program teach you? It teaches you how to build an online business. It teaches you digital marketing. It teaches you how to build multiple streams of income. So you go here. So basically you're just watching videos. Okay. This is going to show you the start here. It's going to show you everything, what this program is all about, like what to expect inside of the program. See, this video shows you what to expect inside of the program, right? So you're going to see what you're going to be learning and what to expect. And then like phase 1, foundation, CEO mindset, clarity, becoming the leader of your business and setting it up for success. So you go in, you watch the videos like lifestyle, desired outcome, how to develop a winning mindset, your brand, what do you want to be known for, Like my brand is Seven Figure Monk. I help everyday men and women make 7 figures online without having to work a job. Okay, that's my brand, right? So you watch, that's it. That's the program. That's what the program teaches. This is the e-learning industry. It's education, information, training, courses, programs, ebooks. This is a program. The difference between a program and a course is that you get mentored and coached inside of our community. So it's interactive. Whereas most courses, they're not so interactive. Like you can interact with Michelle. You can talk to her on a Zoom. She does live Zooms where you can interact with her on the Zooms. Okay. So yeah. And then, oops, something happened. Got a bad gateway. Okay. So go to view all my products. And yeah, so your certification trainings here, your bonuses, all your bonuses are here, right? And then one of the first things you got to do is you got to set up your website. Okay. You got to get your website set up. So you go to website setup and you can set it up in English or Spanish or both, depending on which program you have. And you just go through and it shows you what accounts you need. Okay. It shows you what accounts you need to set up. And then, yeah, you got to go to GoDaddy, for example. You go here, you get your own domain, you get your own professional email address at GoDaddy, you do that. And then you just go to your, like your payment gateways, like you got to set up Square, PayPal, Stripe, you got to set up those accounts. Then you just got to connect your domain to your system, right? You got to get these pages set up. Okay. That's what you got to do. And that's that. Okay. And then once it's set up, you just test it, make sure everything's working, and then you're ready to go. Your business is launched. Now let me show you inside of our community. So here's our community, okay? So once you get inside of our community, we got 57,000 people. All you got to do is just go here, introduce yourself, right? Introduce yourself. You can post wins. You can ask questions, okay? Now let me show you wins. Let me show you people that are proof that people are making money, okay? So let me show you. Like people post whatever they want to post, right? Whatever win they want to post, okay? So look, she made $1,300 since Friday. This is more than my monthly income with the best paid 9-to-5 job I've ever had. Okay. In 20 years, guys, like she's never cause she's from South Africa. So people don't get paid very much. So she's made more since Friday than she ever made at her job. Okay. So we're changing lives. This is a global business. So you can get customers from any part of the world and just understand, like you're helping people make money. Okay. You're helping people learn how to become an entrepreneur as well. Okay. Not only are you going to learn how to become an entrepreneur, but you're going to help other people do the same. Right. So look at live wins. She made $650 on her live today. Okay. Boom. Look, started my day, $300, going to bed with another $300. Boom. Okay. There you go. Here I posted I just launched my community. I posted that win, right? I just launched my own community. Okay. So I posted that win about that because we also teach you how to do that. We teach you everything you need to know to build multiple streams of income. So if you go inside of the classroom, then you get all these other bonus trainings, getting started here. We do these 90-day runs. We teach you how to make 30K in 90 days. You go through, you watch those trainings. Okay. We got all these social media training. We got these different bonus trainings. So you get training in the program and you get training inside of the community as well. So you have an abundance of training to help you build your business and build multiple streams of income, right? And then, yeah, so that's it. So I showed you the community. I showed you how to set up the business. I showed you everything. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. And if you want to learn more, if you're ready to start, then just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the bio. Okay. Right. So what happened there? Okay. Let me, yeah. So all you got to do, get your business set up, and then once plug into the community, and then you're following the 2-hour workday. You're posting content, you're going live, you're building your email list. The automations are doing the rest for you. So let me share my screen again. Let me go and show you, for example, on YouTube, what do I do to promote my business? So now basically what I'm doing in my YouTube channel is I'm just promoting this business, and I'm also like promoting my community. And time to time, I might promote like other affiliate offers. Okay. But inside of my community, I also have a link to this business. Okay. So basically I create like long form videos over 10 minutes on YouTube. Right. And then I do these short form videos, like videos that are like 3 minutes, 1 minute, short form videos. I usually keep I do talking videos. You can do faceless. I do like little videos with words on the screen. You see these videos, like 7-second videos with words on the screen with trending audio. I create videos like that. And then, sometimes I create these little faceless images and stuff. And then I go live. I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok. So all my lives are recorded. And then sometimes I do posts like this, where I just create a picture with some text, right? That's the cool thing about YouTube is like, you can do whatever. You can do written content on YouTube. You can do so many different kinds of content, okay? I create these little images with like AI and stuff like that. So that's it. That's how I build my business. Okay, and that's how I use social media. So yeah, just if you want to get started, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. If you're done being overworked and underpaid and you're just ready to start a business, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Otherwise, make sure to like the video, share the video with people, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Drop if you have any questions about this, just drop it in the comments. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and God bless.